National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida until 5 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over South Ponte Vedra, or near St. Augustine, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Guan River State Park around 4:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Anastasia. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.